I'm not like a big Michael D fan, but like I think he's been doing a reasonably good job representing our country, especially because he speaks Irish and he's like involved with that. He was a poet or something as well, I think. So I think he's a very sort of nice. He looks very friendly as well. I like that. I think he's a very nice guy to sort of represent our country, and I don't think his age is that important to me.
Great supporter of the arts, but I'd say totally cued and clued in politically, particularly in the times that we're living in.
I'd actually be quite pleased to see him run. I think he's represented the country very well. I think he was very good when he was Minister for the Gaeltacht culture, wasn't it? He was before, and I actually think he's doing a very good job. So I'd be quite happy.
I think he has a great standing internationally among people who care about the future.
I think he's a great ambassador for the country, perfect candidate for the job, and he's done a really good job for the last 7 years. So I think good on him.
I think he should only run for one term because he's very good and he's great at what he does and everything, but he is quite elderly, and the country at the moment, I think, it would be better served to have a younger person. I mean, it's just I think he's had his time, and I think it should be something, the mantle should go to somebody else.